If you're a solopreneur, listen up. Minus 2025 is the year. AI becomes your personal team of assistants. Imagine running your entire business. Content, marketing, design, automation, all without writing a single line of code and without hiring anyone. Sounds wild, right? But it's 100% real. And the best part? These AI tools are completely free. If you're into free tools, no-code hacks, and automating your hustle, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss a free shortcut again. In this video, I am breaking down 5 game-changing free AI tools every solo business owner needs to start using right now. Whether you're recreating content, automating tasks, or growing your brand solo, welcome to AI Solo Toolkit, the place where solopreneurs and creators learn to power their workflow with AI precision. Tool number 1, Notion AI. First up, we've got Notion AI, the productivity beast that now thinks for you. It's not just a note-taking app anymore. With Notion AI, you can brainstorm ideas, write content, summarize notes, and even plan projects automatically. It's like having a strategist, writer, and project manager rolled into one. It's free with limited AI credits month. Let us say you're replanning a digital product launch. Notion AI can write your sales page outline, generate content for your landing page, and even suggest email sequences, all inside one workspace. It's completely no-code, intuitive, and feels like chatting with a smart assistant built into your planner. Best for content planning, productivity, digital product launches. Tool number 2. Pictory. Tool number 2 is a content goldmine. This tool turns your scripts, blog posts, or ideas into full videos with voiceovers, B-roll, and subtitles. Pictory takes that, adds relevant footage, music, AI voiceover, and boom, you've got a polished video ready to post. Add their info to Google Sheets and send you a Slack notification. All in one click, automatically say you write a short script about a business tip. No video editing needed, email follow-ups, social post scheduling, best for faceless YouTube channels, free plan yes. Pro tip, use your own script plus AI voice for a more personal brand vibe tool. Number 3, Zapier. Next, we've got the automation master. Zapier. If you're still doing repetitive tasks manually, Zapier is your new virtual assistant. It connects over 5,000 plus apps to automate your workflow. Let's say someone fills out your lead form. Zapier can auto-send them a welcome email. You don't need to touch code. Best for automating lead collection. Free plan, up to 100 tasks. Month. Pro tip, use Zap templates for fast setup. Tool number 4, design. Solopreneurs don't need to hire a designer anymore. Just use Canva. It's not just a design tool. It's an AI design studio now. You want a logo? Done. A carousel? Easy. A YouTube thumbnail? Boom. Canva gives you drag and drop templates and AI-assisted design. All beginner-friendly. With Magic Studio features like AI background remover, Magic Write, instant image resize for all platforms. Canva now helps you design faster than ever. You don't need to know Photoshop, layers, or color theory. Best for brand and social media graphics, YouTube, thumbnails, free plan. Pro tip, use Brand Kit to keep your colors, fonts consistent. If you're not using this tool daily as a solopreneur, you're leaving time and money on the table. Tool number 5, ChatGPT. Last, but definitely not least, the OG. Whether you're writing emails, product descriptions, sales copy, YouTube scripts, blog posts, ChatGPT does it all. Just tell it what you want, and it gives you polished results in seconds. It feels like you're chatting with a smart co-founder who never sleeps and always shows up with ideas. Best for writing, brainstorming, content creation. Free plan yet. Pro tip, train ChatGPT with your brand tone for better output. Bonus tool. Bonus mention, TREBBLE.FM. Turn your written content into AI audio episodes, perfect for creating a podcast or micro content without recording your voice. So to recap, here are the 5 free AI tools every solopreneur must use in 2025. Notion AI for planning plus content. Pictory for video automation. Zapier for no-code workflows. Canva for no-code workflows. Canva. You can use them all without writing code, hiring freelancers, or burning out. ChatGPT for all things writing and ideas. Subscribe to AI Solo Toolkit for more free AI hacks every week. See you in the next one. Automate smart, solo, strong. These tools when just save you time. They'll make you feel like a one-person army. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and drop A in the comments if you're already using any of these tools or want a tutorial on one.